What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Earl back with another video. So yesterday got something in the mail. Got a remote starter for GM cars. Plug and play. Took about 5-10 minutes to install. Put it in on the Caprice. Works like it's supposed to. Just want to show you quick things that you got to do to put it in. What you would have to do is you would have to take out the lower airbag, take out the panel around the console, and take off the console. There's two plugs in the back of the ignition switch. You would take those out, and then from there you would see it's just a very plug-in and plug and play type of deal. So I ordered it through eBay, and they do all the flashing and everything for you. If you buy it directly from the company, you have to do the flashing on your Windows computer at home. But other than that, it's functional. It does what it's supposed to do. I'll show you what it does. It's I got mine set to 3 taps on the lock button to start, and then I think it's 2 to turn it off. So that's starting. Other than that, it was, like I said, a very fast install, very quick. Haven't had any problems with it. I think my runtime right now is set to 15 minutes. It turns off, and then you just tap on that lock button and twice, and then it turns the car back off. He does all the flashing and everything in-house, and then by the time when it gets to you, all you got to do is plug it up, and then it's ready to go. I would recommend this for anybody that owns a GM car of the same nature or the Caprice. It's a very cheap way to get to a remote starter without having to buy anything extra. Like I said, you're using your factory remote. This is what the box looks like. It's a remote starter for 2006 plus. Like I said, it comes with the wire harness, the box, and then all you got to do is zip tie it up under the dash. And like I said, it's functional, it works, does what it's supposed to do. Has all types of other features on it that comes with it. The only thing I'm using right now is just the remote start part of it. But other than that, that's what it is.